Losing weight is hard, we've all been there. But let me tell you, it's not just about the food we eat, it's about our mindset. It's about believing in ourselves and our ability to change. When we shift our thinking from deprivation to empowerment, amazing things happen. Journaling can be our guide on this journey. Journaling helps us understand our thoughts and feelings about food. It's like having a conversation with ourselves, a safe space to be honest. Are we eating because we're hungry? Or are we eating because we're stressed, sad, or bored? When we know ourselves better, we make better choices. This journey is about progress, not perfection. Every small step counts. Every time we choose a healthy meal or go for a walk, we are moving forward. Remember, you are worthy of love and respect, no matter your size. Believe in yourself, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Journaling provides a powerful tool for tracking food intake. It brings awareness to our eating habits. This awareness is key to making positive changes. When we write down what we eat, we are more mindful of our choices. Accountability is a powerful motivator. When we know we have to write it down, we think twice before reaching for that extra cookie. It's like having a personal support system cheering us on. Start by simply jotting down what you eat and drink throughout the day. You might be surprised at what you discover about your habits. Maybe you're eating more than you realize or reaching for unhealthy snacks out of habit. This awareness is the first step towards change. We all have our own unique relationship with food. Sometimes we eat for reasons other than physical hunger. We might eat to cope with stress, boredom, or sadness. This is called emotional eating. Journaling can help us identify these emotional triggers. Write down not just what you eat, but also how you're feeling before, during, and after eating. Do you reach for sugary snacks when you're stressed? Do you find yourself mindlessly snacking in front of the TV? Once you start recognizing your emotional eating patterns, you can find healthier ways to cope with your feelings. Talk to a friend, go for a walk, or engage in a hobby you enjoy. Remember, food is not the enemy. It's about finding balance and making conscious choices. Section 4. The power of exercise journaling. Exercise is an important part of any weight loss journey, but it's not just about burning calories. It's about feeling good, gaining strength, and improving our overall health. Journaling can be a great motivator when it comes to exercise. Before you start your workout, write down how you're feeling and what you hope to achieve. After your workout, jot down what you did, how long you did it for, and how you feel now. Seeing your progress on paper can be incredibly motivating. Don't be afraid to start small. Even a 10-minute walk is better than nothing. The key is to find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Whether it's dancing, swimming, or hiking, find what moves you and make it a habit. Section 5. Overcoming challenges with pen and paper. Weight loss journeys are rarely linear. There will be ups and downs, challenges, and setbacks. Journaling can help us navigate these challenges with grace and resilience. When we face a setback, it's easy to get discouraged. But instead of giving up, use your journal as a space to reflect and learn. What triggered the setback? What can you do differently next time? Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Don't be afraid to ask for support when you need it. Talk to a friend, family member, or therapist. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and your ability to succeed. You are not alone on this journey. Section 6. Celebrating victories, embracing progress. Every step forward is a victory, no matter how small. Take the time to acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments. Did you choose a healthy meal over a sugary snack? Did you go for a walk instead of watching TV? Write it down in your journal. These small victories add up over time. They are proof that you are capable of change. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. There will be days when you slip up. There will be times when you feel discouraged. But that's okay. Pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and keep going. You are stronger than you think. By embracing journaling as a tool for self-discovery, you can transform your relationship with food and your body. Believe in yourself, and you will achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe and leave a like. Also, check in the description area of this video for any specials or discounts we may have for you. God bless you.